When you know where VLC Media Player saves your snapshots, finding them becomes much easier. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a custom save location. So let's walk through this together. By default, VLC saves your snapshots to Pictures folder on your computer, but I want these snapshots to be saved in my own custom folder instead. Let me create a new folder inside Documents directory and name it VLC folder. After that, go back to VLC Media Player. From menu bar, click on Tools, then select Preferences. At the bottom left corner, make sure Show Settings is set to Simple. Then, click on Video tab. Under Video Snapshot section, find Directory field, then click on Browse and select folder where you want your snapshots to be saved. You can leave the rest of settings as they are, then click Save. For changes to take effect immediately, close VLC Media Player and open it again. Play any video. Click on Video, then take Snapshot. When you open custom folder we created earlier, you'll see that every new snapshot you take is now saved there automatically. So that's how you can change where VLC Media Player saves snapshots.